Our era as humans emerged 5 million years ago and lived with nature. Some of us call this as Mother Nature. On the other hand, we call this nature. We are dependent towards nature because our surroundings affect us. When nature flourishes, we flourish, but when nature falters, so do we. But sadly, our surroundings turned into an atrocious viewpoint for those who fight for echo. Agricultural lands are then converted into residentials. Our animals have no more shelter left to live because of our cruelty and apathy. And we are here to tell you that your actions will determine your faith. It's either nature will take you or leave you. So let us all get up and save our nature.
Let's go work together. Move and preserve our nature. Standing in hands to each other. Cause I know we'll save our nature. Come on, let's go work together. Stop our neglection, fight for echo. Stand and we can live together. Jointly we can do this rigorously. Let's preserve our nature. For nature has a lot to offer. Trees for building shelter. Is the reason to employ deforestation. Water we drink, green thirst, which I can serve for the future. Everything about nature has limitations, dear people. Let's go work together. Move and preserve our nature. Start lifting hands to each other. Cause I know we'll save our nature. It's too late to turn this world richer again. But when we come together, what was lost can be found.
Talk about energy conservation. Talk about climate.